Good morning, children. Welcome you all to this virtual class on International Dateline. Now listen a poem on date. Dates number the days of 12 months in a year and keep the records of a moment's act. Days are repeated, dates never. Dates record history. An event or accident goes with a date. War, peace, success, failure, affairs and achievements. Worth remembered dates are birth date, wedding date, some victorious dates of achievements, even some unfortunate dates. Dates are named nationally and internationally. Nationally, Independence Day, Republic Day, Martyrs Day, Teachers Day, Children's Day. Internationally, Mother's Day, Earth Day, Environment Day, Book Day, Doctor's Day, UNO Day. Date brings smiles, also tears and pain. Date writes the story of life. Now children, International Dateline. International Dateline is an imaginary line that roughly coincides with the 180 degree east or west longitude where the change in date occurs. Now children, visualize this globe from the top. This point is North Pole and this line is prime meridian 0 degree longitude and this line is 180 degree east or west longitude. Clear? And children, you know there are 24 time zones are evidenced on the globe, 12 in the eastern hemisphere and 12 on the western hemisphere. You know what is time zone? A time zone consists of 15 longitudes of 1 hour duration. As such, we record 15 degree east, 30 degree east, 45 degree east. Similarly, we have 12 time zones on the eastern hemisphere and 12 on the western hemisphere. Now look at this illustration. The two persons Ram and Gopal. Ram travels eastwards and Gopal travels westward. And they started their traveling on 11th June at 12 noon. When Ram reaches at 15 degree east, he finds time 1 pm because 1 hour is added. And when Gopal travels westward and reaching over 15 degree west, he finds 11 am. Accordingly, they move. Ram travels eastwards and he finds 2 pm at 30 degree east, 3 pm, 4 pm, 5 pm, 6 pm, 7 pm, 8 pm, 9 pm, 10 pm, 11 pm. When he reaches 100 degree east, 180 degree east, he finds 12 midnight of 11th June. On the contrary, when Gopal travels westward, while reaching over 30 degree west, he recorded 10 am, 9 am, 9 am, 8 am, 7 am, 6 am, 5 am, 4 am, 3 am, 2 am, 1 am, then 12 midnight of the previous day, 10th June. Now, if we see the 24 hours difference between 10th June midnight and 11th June midnight. 24 hours gap means 1 day gap. Now, Ram is here and Gopal is here. Clear? Ram and Gopal. When Ram crosses this line and travels this side, he finds 10th June plus 1 day gap, 11th June. And when Gopal crosses this line, he finds 11th June, this 1 day gap, 12th June. Now you see, when Ram crosses this line towards west, he is the gainer. That means he enjoys the day twice. Started on 11th June and again reached after 12 hours of interval, he finds 11th June. That means 11th June, 11th June. Enjoy twice. But loser is Gopal. When he crosses the line, that 12th June, he is the loser. Clear? And this is the change we record in this line. Date, change in date is recorded. And here one difficulty is you find. Some island countries are here. And this line, 180 degree east or west, or this international date line passes through this nation. And you know a nation should not have two dates. In order to avoid these difficulties, this imaginary line is deviated into the ocean. Deviated into the ocean or drawn on the ocean as such that island countries are free from these difficulties and they enjoy only one date. And this is all about your international date line. Now clear? Now children, come to this problem. Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Explain. And you know children, Indian Standard Time is obtained from 82 half degree east longitude, whereas GMT is obtained from 0 degree longitude prime meridian. And you know the gap between the two places, 82 half minus 0. This is the longitudinal difference. 82 half minus 0 is equal to 82 half longitude. And you know Earth covers one longitude in 4 minutes. As such, 82 half longitudes are to be covered in 82 half into 4. First you multiply 82 into 4. First 82 into 4. 328 minutes. And half means half of 4 minutes means 2 minutes. And you add 2 minutes. So you get 330 minutes. Total 330 minutes. Convert into hours and minutes. 330 by 60 minutes. So you get 5 hours 30 minutes. And 82 half degree east lies in the eastern hemisphere. Definitely the time runs ahead. So Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. Clear? Now children, next problem. What is the longitude of place A, time 8:32 am, when it is 10:40 am at place B on 24 degree west longitude? And here we notice place B is in the western hemisphere. This is prime meridian and 24 degree west, somewhere here 24 degree west, and place B here, and time is 10:40 am. And time of place A is 8:32 am and longitude is unknown. In order to know the longitude, what is to be done? First, you get the time difference between these two places A and B. Time gap between place A and B. 10:40 minus 8:32. Okay. So 2 hours 8 minutes. Now you convert into complete minutes form. 2 hours 8 minutes. 2 hours 60 into 2 hours 120 minutes plus 8. So total minutes is 128 minutes. And you know, in 4 minutes Earth covers one longitude. In 28 minutes Earth covers 128 divided by 4. So you get 32 minutes or 32 longitudes. Clear? And here the time of A runs behind of your time of B, and definitely this is in the western hemisphere. In order to get the longitude in the western hemisphere, you need to add this time longitudinal gap. The longitudinal here 24 plus 32. So 6 to 5, 56 degree west. So longitude of place A somewhere here, and its longitude is 56 degree west, and time is here 8:32 am. Clear?